Hi there. In today's video, we will be talking about the flu or influenza. Influenza is a contagious respiratory illness caused by influenza viruses. It infects the nose, throat, and sometimes the lungs. Two main types affect humans, influenza A and influenza B. Both can cause seasonal epidemics in people almost every winter in the United States. It spreads through droplets when an infected person coughs, sneezes, talks, or touches contaminated surfaces and the face. For patient care, key tests include the following. Based on the guidelines by the Infectious Disease Society of America, testing recommendations for outpatient is the use of rapid molecular assays over rapid influenza diagnostic test or RIDT. In hospitalized patients, use reverse transcription polymerase chain reaction or rt-pcr or molecular assays for improved detection. For immunocompromised patients, use multiplex rt-pcr targeting respiratory pathogens. In hospitalized patients, RIDTs and immunofluorescence may be used if molecular assays are unavailable. Doctors may rely on epidemiology and symptoms like fever, chills, cough, sore throat, fatigue, and body aches to diagnose influenza. Kids might also experience ear pain, vomiting, or diarrhea. Some people, like older adults, young kids, pregnant women, people with weakened immune system, people living in nursing facilities or chronic care facilities, people with BMI of 40 or higher, and those with chronic conditions are at higher risk of complications. If you're high risk and have symptoms, contact your healthcare provider early for treatment. To protect yourself, U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention recommends getting the annual flu vaccine. It may not prevent the flu entirely, but reduces severity. The flu vaccine is updated yearly to match the most common strains. Also, wash your hands, stay home if sick, and wear a mask. If you catch the flu, rest, hydrate, and antiviral drugs may be prescribed for severe cases. Most recover in under 2 weeks, but severe cases can lead to hospitalization. With prevention and care, you can stay healthy and protect others. Thanks for watching and stay well.